Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Fresh from announcing a record $30 billion profit, the National Commercial Bank, NCB, says it will change its strategic plan 1 year earlier than originally intended. CEO of the company, Patrick Hilton, says the financial group has been looking to set new goals after it achieved its 2020 targets 2 years early in 2018. He outlines what the new strategy will be.
Our new aspiration for financial year 2024 is to become a world-class Caribbean financial ecosystem.
Mr. Hilton is calling the new plan NCB Accelerate. It will involve leveraging NCB's presence in 21 countries in the region. In the meantime, the National Commercial Bank is launching a war on cash and checks. The company now outlining that its digitization strategy is to eventually lead Jamaica into the cashless age. As correspondent banks clamp down on money laundering and the financing of terrorism, Jamaica's largest bank, NCB, is looking to tackle the problem by taking cash and checks out of the financial system altogether.
Cash is a big problem. As far as we are concerned, a big part of the initiatives to address those issues is also a part of our digital strategy. We have for a long time internally what we have described as war on cash and checks.
NCB's Group Financial Officer and Deputy CEO Dennis Cohen says the aim of the company's digitization strategy is to usher in a cashless age.
We want to digitize all transactions, right? So it is a concern for overseas banks. It is a concern for us, right? Because the cost of handling cash is it's not a sustainable arrangement.
He noted that Jamaica wouldn't be the first country to do it, pointing to other territories looking to implement similar strategies in the near term.
There are some countries who have already set a date for which there will be no more checks, and there are also countries who are also beginning to set a date for which they will no longer have cash. And we at NCB support that strategic direction, and our own strategy is consistent with that.
We go to currency trading now, where the Jamaican dollar regained some of its losses today. The US dollar ended the day selling for $141.61. The Canadian dollar closed at $108.09. The pound is going for $181.65, while the euro is being sold for $158.70. The JSE index gained 2,772 points today, and the junior market index is up by 52 points. Among the winners were Portland JSX, Dolphin Cove, Blue Power Group, Salada Foods, and General Accident Insurance Company. On the losing side were Jetcon Corporation, AMG Packaging and Paper, QWI Investments, Carreras, and iCreate. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.